a rich source of minerals, including potassium and zinc. Potassium helps in keeping hair healthy and improve regrowth. Zinc helps maintain collagen and thus plays an important role in promoting healthy hair. It also contains folate, an important B vitamin that stimulates hair growth by improving blood circulation. Avocado oil is extremely rich in oleic acid and monounsaturated fats, making it one of the few oils that can actually penetrate the hair shaft and moisturize your hair, rather than sitting on top and coating your hair. These fats also strengthen the hair shaft and help prevent breakage.
Coconut milk restores dry, damaged hair because of its excellent moisturizing properties. Coconut milk can be used as a scalp tonic for dry, itchy, and irritated scalp. This is particularly beneficial for restoring dry, damaged, and brittle hair as well as split ends. Coconut milk contains all the essential nutrients required for healthy hair, boosting your hair follicles, and promoting hair growth. So I froze it overnight, so I'm gonna trying to thaw it out so it can soften a little, and then I'm going to mix it and put it on my hair.